I'm just celebrating well, it's over 1,000 views now. YouTube went ahead and notified me that I have over 1,000 views now, which is a milestone for me. I'm so excited. It's actually up to 1,500 plus, but I just wanted to share that. I've been using this new tool, TubeBuddy, and I will leave my affiliate link in the description. But it's a free little tool. They have upgrade options if you want to use them, but you don't have to use them. I just love it, and it gives me my milestones. I can do so much from the little YouTube or TubeBuddy little red thing that goes on your up above your channel, and you just press on that, and you have a lot of things you can get into. On the left-hand side, there's your dashboard. You can sign up for an affiliate program, which their affiliate program is very good. Check it out. They have members perks, integrations where you can integrate your other, social media accounts. They have a launch pad, valuations for your channel, competitors, brand alerts, all kinds of things, promo materials, community forums, tips and tricks. I haven't gotten through the whole thing yet, but I'm really excited and it's really helpful. And the free version is really helping me and build my channel. I'm really happy with it. So I encourage you to at least check it out. And I hope you're if you're starting your YouTube channel like I've been trying to grow mine, this is an amazing little tool that will help you. And I'm sure that you can go much farther than me, but it tells you how many uploads you have, how many views you have, although it hasn't updated yet. My last update was October 29th, 2018. That's when I was at 1,000, and now I'm at over 1,500. It tells you how many videos you have, how many views, how many uploads. Oh, it's amazing little tool here. Anyway, I won't make this any longer, and God bless you. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will leave the link in the description box. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye.